Hey friends, if you wish to download and install the Panda free antivirus on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, the Panda antivirus does not exist on the Microsoft Store, and in this case, the only option we have is to search for it on the browser and then download and install it. Okay, so we will go to its download page after searching for it on Bing or Google, whatever you prefer, and then you can the second you go to that download page, it will download the file, and then you need to click on open. It will need a few seconds to launch the installation wizard. Okay, now it's installing. Click on next, accept and install. Don't agree to this one, and then okay, uncheck this one and select this one. Oh god, we will have to install Opera in this case. Fine, next, and then it will install the antivirus on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.